APDN is one of those tickers that once it gets going, there's absolutely no holding it back. But can this move be the start of something great? Are we going to see another 100% plus move from APDN in the upcoming days? Or is this a ticker which is just here today, gone tomorrow, and we're pretty much just seeing a dead cat bounce? Without further ado, my friends, let's get into another no BS, no bias video. We're going to be discussing APDN and what do I see this ticker heading from here on out. So when it comes to APDN, as always, in order to anticipate where a ticker is headed, we first need to analyze what has caused the stock to get to where it's at right now. In the case of APDN, APDN announced a reverse split, a 1 for 250 reverse split, which is, or a 1 for 1, my apologies, I'm blind. A 1 for 50 reverse split, right, which is pretty big. It's pretty big, right? And it caused the stock to go on a massive downtrend, all the way from the reverse adjusted prices of $7 down to $1.60. Now, let's talk about how the markets work regarding catalysts and bad news. So the reality of the markets is, guys, the markets are a very forward-looking place, especially in the penny stock world. So they're always trying to price in future events. This is why we saw this massive selling off before the company even had a reverse split, right? It's the exact same thing regarding dilution. A company announces that they will be doing dilution, and all of a sudden the stock drops by 20-30%. Well, guess what? There has been no new shares added yet, but the markets are forward looking, so they're pricing in the dilution that's going to be effective soon. The exact same thing when it comes to this reverse split, right? Now, here's the caveat, is that as forward looking as the markets are, once the event actually happens, once the event is priced in and the event actually occurs, then we get kind of this ripping off the band-aid effect, where all of a sudden the markets are again forward looking. They're like, oh, whoa, that bad thing that just happened, well, that's not behind us. What's coming up next, right? And just like that, we get this massive bounce from $1.60 levels all the way upwards of $2.50 and $2.60 levels, okay? So remember, bad catalysts, play them after, let things price in and then play the bad catalyst, okay? That would be my advice for you guys. Now, without further ado, let's get breaking down exactly what's happening over here. So like I said, right, we got this bad news coming in, then the reverse split happened, sold off a little bit more, and then pop, right? The thing about a reverse split as well is that although it's really not a good thing, right, it really does go ahead and help the volatility of the given ticker, because although it doesn't change the market cap much, it does change the shares float, right? It does change the shares float. It makes the stock be a lot more volatile, right? And volatility is something which we love as day traders, right? Especially when it comes to penny stock volatility. Market volatilities, not so much. Day trading penny stock volatilities, very good. We love it. Let's keep going, okay? Now, the company right now has a shares float of sub 1 million, meaning that they have less than 1 million shares available to the public to trade. That's super volatile. That is super duper volatile, okay? And when you think about it, right, when you think about how volatile that is, you realize that, wow, it only has a market cap of 2.2 million as well. It really doesn't take much for the stock to go ahead and double. This is why in our own trading community, guys, we took a trade on it over here at approximately, let's see, it was actually a swing trade, there we go, right? APDN, we jumped in at 159 to 177, and our targets were 174 to 181, middle was 189 to 198, and the high was $2 plus, right? And guess where it's at right now? It's $2 plus, okay? That's where it's at, right? It's at $2.46, up 23% in the after hours. So for me, when it comes to APDN, considering its previous volatile history as well, this can be one of those tickers that it can actually gap up and go all the way upwards of the $7 range. However, one thing you guys gotta understand about APDN is that APDN is in need of money, okay? They're a little bit broke. The company only has 6 months of cash left on hand, considering every single 3 months, every quarter, they burn approximately 3.3 million, and right now they only have $7 million left in the bank. Where's this information sourced from? This information is sourced from their most recent SEC filings, okay? And historically, they've been very diluted, and their overhead supply is also high, and their offering ability is medium, which is kind of irrelevant if you ask me, right? But the company can go ahead and dilute a lot more. So for me, when I look at these numbers, right, I realize that, hey, this is one of those companies that as a swing trade, it's a lot riskier, but as a day trade, it could really, really go in your favor. Now, if you guys are someone who can day trade, has above 25K in their account, is able to day trade and wants to start making money from day trading and is tired of kind of getting their ass whooped left and right, check out our Discord. Guys, our Discord, which is basically a platform which you will get notified directly to your phone when we buy and sell shares of a given ticker, right, is first of all, we're the only community that has a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. No one else is offering that, right? And on top of that, right now, the next 10 members that join, they do get access to the Discord for a 50% discount. So if you guys are interested, do check it out. The link is in the comment section and description. And yeah, okay, I look forward to meeting all serious traders in there. Without further ado, my friends, I wish you guys the best of luck with us in trading in everyday life. As you guys can see, we have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, shorting alerts, and you know, we have over 800 members, guys, coming back month after month after month. There's a reason why people keep coming back, right? It's because they're making money. It's because they're making money. So check it out, guys. The link is in the comment section and description. Look, ADTX today, we brought in 7K, my man. My man brought in 7K. Small account, right? Up 149 bucks. Right, check it out, okay? We have a small account challenge, which is about a $5,000 challenge. We have a 10K challenge going on. We have a $5,000 challenge as well going on right now. It's amazing, okay? It's amazing. So check it out, guys. The link is in the comment section and description. What I would do personally is I would join for the first 7 days, see if I make money or not. If I made money the first 7 days, since it's free, I'll stick around. If I don't make money, I'll pack my bags and I'll leave, and I'll never ever come back again. That's what I would do. With that said, I wish you guys the best of luck with listening trading of their life. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.